Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today we are going to see the topic which is the median and mode. So let us go for the median. What is median? So first let us write a definition. After arranging the given data in ascending or descending order, the value of the middlemost observation that is called the median. So you know what is the ascending order means, that is the small to big, and the descending is big to small. So here we have to see the middlemost observation. So let us see later with the help of an example. So here there are two conditions. When n is odd, you have to use this formula. Median is equal to value of 1 by 2, 1 n plus 1 observation. And when n is even, then you have to use this formula, that is half n by 2 term plus n by 2 plus 1 term. So now let us see the example. The runs scored by 11 members of a cricket team. These are the runs given, and you have to find the median score. So first thing what you are going to do, you have to arrange the numbers in the ascending order. So now here so always put a tick over here so that you don't miss any number. 0, 8, then will be 18, 25, 31, 34, 39, 46, 65, no, so here will be 53, then 65, and then will be 72. So now we are going to count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the n is 11. We have arranged it in the ascending order, and then we are going to count what is how many we have the numbers that will be n is 11 and which is odd. So now we know what is the formula for this odd, that you have 1 by 2 n plus 1. So you are going to put the formula first over here, and in place of n, just we are going to put here 11. So here 11, rest everything is the same. So 11 plus 1 means that is going to be 12. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are. This all same. So here now we have to see for the sixth term. So what is the sixth term? So here after this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth term is 34. So what we can say, therefore median score is 34. So now let us see the next example. The weights of 10 students are, these are the weights given, and you have to find the median weight. So first thing we have to arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So now we have arranged these numbers in the ascending orders. Again, you have to keep on putting a tick so that you don't miss any number. So now we'll count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10, which is even. So the formula for to find out the median, if the n is even, this is the formula. So only here what you have to do, in place of n, you are going to put 10. Rest everything is same. So here 10 by 2 means this is going to be 5. So this is the fifth term. Again here will be 5. So here 5 plus 1. So you will write your 5 1 plus, and the next step you can write. This is going to be the same. This 5 plus 1 is 6. So now the fifth term, which is the fifth term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, this fifth term is 40. And the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The sixth term is 41. So when you add these two, you get 81. This is half. And when you divide this one, 81 divided by 2, that is you get 40.5 kilogram. So that is the median weight is, this is the answer, 40.5 kilogram. So here, what you have seen, that you have to remember the formula. If you know the formula, other things are very simple. Now, this is also one of the simplest ones. So, how to find out the mode? First, let us see the definition. So, what is the mode? Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. So, the number where we can see the number is more than 1. So, that is, we can say that is most frequently is called a mode. The marks obtained by 11 students of a class in a test are given below. These are the marks given, and you have to find the model marks. So first thing again here, what you are going to do, you are going to arrange this one in the ascending order. And whenever you are arranging it, see that you put a mark, keep on putting a tick mark so that you don't miss any. Even if you miss a single number, your answer is going to be wrong. So after arranging this in the ascending order, what we can see, this, can you see here, 23, 23, 23. These three numbers are repeating. So what we can say, here 23 can occur maximum number of times. So model classes, that is the model marks is 23. Now the next says that find the mode of the data. This is given. So it's the same. Here they said model marks, and here the mode, that is the same. So arranging in, first thing we are going to arrange this in ascending order. Again, I repeat. So when you are arranging, see that you put a tick mark. So here what you can see again, you can see this 8 is repeating. So here what we can say, here 8 occurs maximum time. So the mode is 8. So by this we will stop over here for today. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so you get the notification of the other part and many more. Thank you.